So this is my punch holder, and I have that groove that goes in the metal ring in my seat, and I flattened out this side on top for my leg to sit on. With this flat side here, it's even more stable from slipping around. So I start by finding a weak spot on the rock. There. This is a really nice quality heat-treated Mississippi gravel now. Okay, and then I just work around the edge, zigzagging. Those long blades coming off. Just go around. I'm not trying to go into the rock, just doing the edge. Just zigzagging. This punch is very good for zigzagging these cobbles. You can get into real tight spots and knock flakes out that'll help you continue on. That's a little more difficult using an antler punch. See how those flakes run really nice? Get that edge off that. That round edge has got to go. Just takes a couple minutes to get across, get through the edge. All zigzagged. And this rock will have some cracks and things in it occasionally. You just have to work around them. No bad spot there, but it's no big deal. Okay, there, this cobble is completely edged all the way around. Now I can grind some edge places and knock some thinning flakes off of this cobble with a bopper. This big hump right here. So I've already got a platform. That's the great thing here. You're going to have platforms all over the place. You just pick the best one to start with. A nice big thinning flake. Look around, see where the others are. Keep grinding. Okay. Make sure to grind good enough if you're using this copper. Okay, there's a ridge here. Going down there, we got us a platform now. Strike that way. Go through here. And grind down this way, turn it over. Nice big thinning flake there. Go around and get some other places that have a little thickness. A little bit here. Yeah. edge had some junk in it. We got to get rid of that. Okay, now we have a premium piece for punch work or pressure flaker. This is a really nice flat thin blank. You ready for finishing? So we went around the edge with the aluminum punch to get an edge. And then we found some platforms and struck off with the bopper. Now we've got a nice premium blank here. There has to be a nice arrowhead in this piece. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.